That's some strong flavors right there. Ooh. I should make that into a potato chip flavor right there. Green mango potato chips with bagoong. No?
I don't know.
It's like shrimp, sour, salt, and vinegar. Woo, it's fucking a strong taste. That's a 10 out of 10. All right, we're gonna do a little shoe shopping in an Ukay, which is like a, I guess, kind of like a Goodwill, a secondhand clothing store. You can see everything is just like in piles, and there'll be a certain price for everything on the table. She's trying to find shoes for a Christmas party. 90s theme, so we need some Converse or Vans. Something like low cut, low top 90s style. You find anything, baby?
No. Not yet.
I've tried to shop for myself in these shoe stores many times, but they don't have my size. You would think maybe there'd be one or two pairs, but they are not there, unfortunately. I wear like a 13 or 14 extra wide, and that just doesn't exist, unfortunately.
I think I'll just look for a short.
Some shorts? Okay. Now our search has changed. There's like certain areas of town that will always have like 50 of these stores all in a row. So you just look around and you can't really try anything on either. But luckily it's all like 100 pesos or less. How much?
50. Maybe I can find
50?
something.
This is a very big Ukay. Some are, yeah, they have a lot of good 50 peso tables. So just look through here, the whole wall of backpacks. Yeah, these are some old school Adidas. Oh, pink fans?
I think this would fit.
Those are cute.
This would fit with my shirt. But I don't think it fits my feet. This is so cute. I think this is the best color for my shirt.
She's like a multicolored 90s style checker. Does it fit? Looks a little tight.
Wait, that's fine. That's actually fine, babe.
Oh, looks like it fits.
Yeah.
Is it tight on the sides?
No, it's just fine. Wow. Let's see if I could find a pair.
So all you have to do is search through the mountains, and eventually you'll find something. We've only been searching about 5 or 10 minutes, so I think the pink ones are good. You definitely want something colorful to go with the outfit. Yellow.
Pink or yellow.
Pink or yellow. Alright, well, most of these are white and black. They even have these places for like regular clothes. A lot of times it'll be like a full street of parts of the market, right? It'll be like 20 or 30 places. Yeah.
Especially here in San Pedro.
Yeah. We live in the San Pedro area, so there's a few of these areas where it's just like store after store after store of Ukay. And I've looked probably in 50 of these places since my time in the Philippines. I've never found a single item that's fit me. Never. Not a shirt, not pants, not shoes. nothing. So I just don't even look anymore. It's like a waste of time. Oh, we have got some black ones now?
It's also nice, huh?
I've been giving out more of my sour candy too lately. Kids seem to like it, but they're also like, I gave them some sour warheads, which if you're in America, you know, those are super, super sour. So I like to stand there and watch them try it. I think I have a video of some kids giving some kids candy and they try it. So maybe I'll cut that in here. We'll see if I remember to do that or not. What do you think, baby?
Yeah, I think it is good. I was thinking about my outfit. My earrings are yellow.
Yeah. Well, it's all in the 90s. They didn't care about color clashing. It was all like super bright. There's some other 50 peso tables over there.
I think those are slippers. No?
Ah, they are slippers.
Strap.
Mm.
Oh, it's also.
Oh, the suede is messed up? Okay. You can see how big it is in here. It's actually... If you ever wanted to go to a shoe store that had 50 times more shoes, but they're just in a pile on the floor, this is the place to do it. Oh, she's paying. This is actually a really organized ukay. I've been to a lot that are just literally piles, chest high. I think I've got one in Lapu-Lapu where people are sleeping on the piles. Like you go in to shop and they're huge, but there's people just sleeping on tables full of clothes. So anyway, this is shopping for clothes in the Philippines like a local. So we'll see you later. Bye. Crossing the street is always fun because there's no traffic lights. So you just run or follow a local. More ukay everywhere. I think we're looking for shorts now. 90s shorts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
90s
No?
No.
I'm trying to find the perfect ukay to go look into now.
You need patience when you're okay.
Okay. Yeah. Because there's so many different places to try. This is an interesting place. You can just walk to the window and order food there, or you can go inside and eat like a regular restaurant. But most people just come up to the window and buy some of the xiao pao. Let's see. Here's the shoe ukay area where they're all hung up. All right. Can't fit through there very well. And then like, oh, we got another one. Let's go in there.
There are so many shirts.
It's hot in here. Wow, it's hot. Instantly the air stops flowing when we come in here. And it smells like your grandmother's old closet.
What do you think about this one? So pretty. Maybe I'll try it. It will be closed.
Yeah.
Think it will?
It's tight. It looks tight. Does it feel tight? Okay. Well, maybe a different size then. Are we just looking for denim? Okay. So Egon, which I think means humid.
This is fine. Okay, it's perfect. Ano naman? Do you think it's only tight because I wear pants?
I mean, the pants will add a little bit. You're also only going to wear them for one night. It looks like this used to be a shopping center. There's like multiple floors. And then, of course, a wall of speakers. If you're in the Philippines, everyone needs a speaker to annoy your neighbors at 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it looks like they buy, like whatever clothes secondhand stores in America don't sell, they put them into these big bags and then ship them overseas. So that's what they sell here. They buy these bags for cheap and then they sell them by the piece. People come in here and buy them for cheap. If you go to the mall here, a shirt might be 1,000 pesos, but here it's 50. So, I mean, imagine buying something for $100 or, $2. It's a big difference. So, it's a good business model. That's what we did. My friends ran a clothing business in America, doing the same thing, but just selling vintage clothes. I lost track of Daisy. Okay. I better go find her. I got distracted by looking at architecture and thinking about business models. So the stock room is just here, 5 feet away. You can see there's all sorts of giant bags here. We're in the dressing room right now, trying on shorts. Yeah, this used to be a marketing and wholesale place. Even the roof is like 40 feet high. Yep, these are actually very big. Not all Ukay are this big. Many of them are just small, with a hole in the wall, or just tables on the side of the street, which is very, very common. Even here, we see a lot of people setting up just shoes in front of other businesses, and they just show up with a bag of shoes. They sell them on the street, and then they leave at the end of the night. But it's where to shop if you want to save some money. I think the pile is taller than her. Stopping for fruit snacks on the side of the street. What are you getting?
Green mango. Smells so good. And chips.
Oh, this is Bongus?
Yeah.
That's barbecue milkfish chips. Never had that flavor before, but I bet it's good. What do you put it on?
Spicy salt. Buang buang. Salted shrimp.
What's that?
Salted shrimp, bagoong.
So spicy shrimp paste, spicy salt, spicy vinegar. On top of a sour green mango. Okay.
Try.
Do I try it?
Here.
We're good?
Super sour. But good.
Woo!
Don't like it?
That's some strong flavors right there. Woo! I should make that into a potato chip flavor right there. Green mango potato chips with bagoong. No?
I don't know.
It's like shrimp, sour, salt, and vinegar. Woo! It's fucking a strong taste. That's a 10 out of 10. In terms of how much I like the taste, it's about a 6 out of 10. It's very shrimpy. Like, if you want to boil a bag full of shrimp down into a powder, that's what it tastes like. All right, I think we're gonna go home after this. Shrimp, green mango, and shopping for Ukay. We'll see you later.